Choosing a reliable brand for a micro-high-speed centrifuge is crucial for ensuring consistent performance and longevity. Brand reputation and user reviews can provide valuable insights into the quality and reliability of these products. Top brands: GZAIR. Reputation: known for high-quality laboratory equipment. Features: advanced technology and precise controls. User feedback: positive reviews highlight durability and ease of use. Eppendorf. Reputation: renowned for innovation and precision. Features: compact design and excellent temperature control. User feedback: users appreciate reliability and performance. Thermoscientific. Reputation: trusted for reliable and high-performance equipment. Features: wide range of models and advanced safety features. User feedback: commended for exceptional customer support. Hettich. Reputation: established for durable and efficient centrifuges. Features: user-friendly design and efficient cooling systems. User feedback: praised for quiet operation and long-lasting performance. Sigma. Reputation: known for affordable yet high-quality equipment. Features: competitive pricing and effective temperature control. User feedback: users mention value for money and reliability. When selecting a micro-high-speed centrifuge, consider brands known for their quality and reliability. To learn more about our range of micro-high-speed centrifuges, or if you have any questions regarding their operation, please contact me through my email provided on my homepage. I will respond within 24 hours.